Imagine a car being revealed by crashing into a wall. Yes, it really happened. This is the story of the MGS6 EV, a brand new electric SUV that no one was supposed to see until Euro NCAP got involved. During a routine safety test, the SUV smashed into a barrier at 64 kilometers per hour, and suddenly, car enthusiasts got the first official look, before MG even announced it. The funny thing, it performed brilliantly. Euro NCAP gave it top scores for adult and child safety, vulnerable road users, and safety assist systems. And the best part? MG hadn't even told anyone this car existed yet. So, without meaning to, a crash test became the most unusual car reveal of 2025. So what do we know so far? The S6 EV will be a mid-size electric SUV, sitting above the MG4 and S5 EV. Expect dual-motor all-wheel drive, up to 266 kilowatts, and two battery options, 62 and 77 kilowatt hours. Design-wise, it's sharp, slim headlights, full-width rear light bar, muscular stance, and sporty bumpers. Definitely the most premium-looking MG yet. Honestly, this might be the most entertaining car reveal ever. MG's PR team didn't plan it, but the S6 EV made a strong impression, both literally and figuratively. What do you think? Accidental genius or marketing nightmare? Comment below, and also like this video, share it to car enthusiasts, and also subscribe for more weird and wild car stories. Check our latest videos by visiting our channel.